Hey, I'm Kurt Niffen. I'm owner of Boomers Property Services based here in Lakeland, Florida. We cover the I-4 corridor and both coasts, and we'll even go north and south if you need us to. At Boomers Property Services, we not only do home inspections, but we also do construction project management. A lot of times a client is out of state, and they'll fly in once a month or once every other month and check on the construction of their home and how it's going. The problem with that is they don't know construction. So in our project management, what we do is make sure that if it's a spec home or a custom built home, that the builder is actually building to what's on the blueprint. A lot of times, a builder will build just to pass local inspections. But if it's a spec home, that means that those specifications are typically higher than what's recommended by the local governments to pass inspection. But if a client's out of town, the builder will build it to pass inspection and the client doesn't know the difference. So in our project management, we do site visits and we also work with their construction manager to make sure that the house is being built as designed, not just to pass inspection. We have a client presently that came to us that this September will be 3 years in construction. Many excuses have been used by the builder. We were able to motivate the builder by pointing out the things that aren't being done that should be done to move along with design issues that have been on hold for over a year because the client doesn't know what's going on. So they give them excuses like supply chain, we can't get contractors, various different excuses that don't wash with a $5 million home. This is a $5 million home. They deserve to be in their home because the expenses add up when the contractor is dragging their feet. Now they gotta pay storage, they gotta pay moving expenses. All of these things come into play. Clients don't understand why it's not happening. The contractors use terminology that they don't understand, but they don't wanna ask because they don't wanna sound ignorant. So we get in with our 40 years of construction experience, as well as 20 years in disaster relief. We see the flaws in homes. We know where to look, when to look, and how to hold the contractors accountable.